Hello, Tools on the Move. Here we're just going to give you a quick demonstration of the new DR tree stump grinder. This is the machine here, and this is the little tree stump over here. This was a tree that was cut down probably about 2 or 3 months ago, and the tree stump was just left just about 2 inches above the ground. I don't know if you can make out there, but the tree stump is just over a foot in diameter, so we're going to, with the help of our tree stumper, we're going to remove that this morning. And I just want to give you a wee quick fill in on how to use this machine. It's very simple and straightforward. There's tungsten tipped blades at the front here which do the chipping. You see the petrol is switched on here. The choke is on run. We've already had the machine on this morning and warmed up, so it's ready to go. The throttle is operated from this little lever up here. You pull it, and then this is the operator present handle. This handle must be pressed in at all times. And this is a brake which locks one wheel in place so that you can sway the machine from left to right when you're using it. So I'll put the camera on the pedestal here and then get the machine started and hopefully show you how to do this little job. I'm going to just start the machine. Have to have my hand on the operator handle and pull. I just wanted to stop for a minute, just bring it over and let you see what way the machine is doing that. Get a wee close up for you. You can see how it's cutting in, and it's these blades at the front here that are doing the work, the tungsten tip blades, and they just cut in, so it does it quite quickly and easily. So there you go. That's the tree stump removed. Took just under, I suppose, 6 or 7 minutes. This whole video there is just 8 minutes long now. So I'm going to cut a little bit more from the top part of it there, just to bring it a little bit more below the surface, just to leave it right. But hopefully that gives you a good idea of how the DR tree stump grinder works. And have a great day.